In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste AdSense ad code on Blogger at different places. By the end, you'll know two reliable ways to place ads exactly where you want them, plus a built-in option inside Blogger if your site is eligible. First, sign into your Blogger dashboard and open the blog you want to monetize. From the left menu, click Layout. This view shows your blog sections, header, sidebar, footer, and more. Find the exact area where you want the ad to appear and click Add a Gadget. In the list that opens, choose HTML, JavaScript. A small editor pops up. The title field is optional. You can leave it blank or use something descriptive to stay organized. In the content box, paste the ad unit code you generated in your AdSense account. Don't alter the code, paste it exactly as provided so it can load properly. Then click Save. This approach is great for sidebars, headers, or footers, and works well with responsive ad units that adapt to different screens. If you want to place an ad inside your post content, at the top of an article or just below it, use the theme editor. Go to Theme, click the small arrow next to Customize, then select Edit HTML. Click inside the code area and press Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on a Mac to open the search box. Search for the tag that renders your post content. Think of this as the marker for where your article text appears. To show an ad before the article content, paste your AdSense code directly before that tag. To show an ad after the article content, paste the code directly after the tag. When you're done, click the save icon. Be careful not to move or delete other code. If you're new to editing themes, work slowly and double check your placement before saving. There's also a built-in path through Blogger's Earnings tab. Click Earnings in the left menu. If your blog is eligible, you'll see the option to sign up for AdSense. Complete the connection, and once your account is linked, Blogger lets you choose where to show ads across your site without manually editing code. A few quick tips as you wrap up. After saving, give ads a little time to appear and refresh your blog to confirm placement. If nothing shows right away, disable any ad blockers and make sure your AdSense account and site are approved. Keep placements user-friendly, follow AdSense policies, and avoid placing ads too close to clickable navigation. That's it. You now know how to paste AdSense ad code on Blogger in multiple locations with confidence.